Yeah, it says no outlet there.
Oh, yeah, right here.
Willow Creek, okay. Ended up not going to Big Bear because that's a long story. I'll not go into that right now. But we are at near Lake Arrowhead street, or we're taking a trail called Willow Creek Jeep Trail. So we're gonna check it out and give it a shot.
It says the goes to the left.
Do you think we should do a drone right here?
Yes, I want to do a drone right here now.
Huh? That's good, or you think another spot? It's pretty high. Huh? You guys okay?
Oh, god damn, bro.
Make it down. Make it down.
Huh? You hear the skid plate hit?
Next one.
Look what's so fast.
I guess.
Look what's so fast.
Huh?
No.
Proceed about 1 mile.
Look at that rock. Oh, I don't like that. See that?
Oh my face.
Huh?
I just hit the window
No.
with my foot.
But look at that rock right there. Right in front of me.
Oh, sounds like
You see that?
Oh,
No.
sounds like it's bad at Lou.
I might flip it. I'm gonna go the other way, dude. This just looks stupid.
What is?
We'll make
Huh?
it more bumpy.
Look at that.
Look at that. Oh. They expect you to
Oh my goodness.
That's pretty mean, dude. I'm gonna go back.
You go back.
Yeah, it looks mean. Look at that.
But I'm looking okay. Oh my goodness. I want to try to be okay.
You want to do it?
Yes, I want to try it
Joshua would be
out.
Like, all right.
I'm gonna go right and try to go between the rock and that hump. Back up.
You're backing up now.
Is it gonna hit that bumper?
Yeah,
I'm gonna hit?
I think so. Yeah,
It's gonna hit, right?
yeah.
You have to go to the right.
Gonna hit or no?
I don't. It might hit the bottom, but I'm not
I don't
sure.
care about the plate, I care about the bumper.
Nah, I don't think it'll hit the bumper.
The bumper's okay?
Should be.
Are you okay? You did it, Daddy. We got it.
Yeah?
Yes, we did it. Is the bumper okay? I think the bumper's okay. I just leave it open.
Oh, you know what? Look at that hill, dude. Look at that. No way I'm gonna do that. No.
Yeah, you good? You good?
I'm good?
Yeah. Oh my. Yeah, 3-wheel.
So we'll go that way.
Next one.
We're gonna go to the other way, so it would be better. No.
That was just stupid. Oh, that looks nicer. Look. That looks better, right?
another one.